Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. So today in this video I'm going to show you how to pay with Cash App on DHgate. So firstly, open up DHgate and log into your account if you have an account. So and then add any item that you wish to purchase so that you can get to the payment section. So add any item to your card. So for example here, just I'm going to add this to my card and then go to the checkout page. Okay, so I'm just going to plug in a dummy address, so I'll just use this. Okay, so that's fine. Hit on save. So let me do this. Okay, so once you plug in the shipping address and all those things, so we get to this payment page here. So when you get to this payment page here, so if you only use your Cash App, the only way that you can use your Cash App is by using your Cash App card. So you can just use your Cash App card. You can simply get a Cash App card from your Cash App account. It's free. It's just a free debit card provided by Cash App. So you can just go to your Cash App and then get one card from a free cash card from your Cash App. And then once you get that, so what you're going to do, you're going to hit on this pay with card option and then just plug in the details of your debit card from Cash App, which is your cash card. Plug those details in, hit on apply, and then that's it. And then hit on select that and then hit on pay now and complete the transaction. So this is the only way how you can pay with Cash App on DHgate. So I hope this video was helpful. I will see you in another video. Thank you.